Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge with Swapnil, and this video is related to the AI videos creation. And if you want to create a AI videos unlimited, then there is a site where you can create an unlimited AI videos, and it's absolutely free. You don't have to add any credit card details or all this nonsense. Okay, so what you have to do is I will directly show you. So this is one of the called Business Gemini. Okay, and from here you have to just sign in, and then you can create unlimited AI videos. So this is one of the, I will show you this video. This is one of the sample video I have created where this sadhu is doing some meditation near the Ganga river. And yeah, so this is how you can create the videos, and I have created multiple videos. Okay, but I will show you the step-by-step process of how you can log in, and means what is the process to create the account and all this thing currently. Okay, so for that what I will do is I will use another account, which is my Technical Knowledge Vita account. Okay, and from here you have to search for Business Gemini. Okay, I think I have, this is the one of the site. I will add the link in the description also if you want. Okay, so if you directly click over here, you have to add basically it's welcome you and continue with the email. So I will add my email ID. So what you have to do is you have to provide your email ID. Okay, once you add your email ID, just click on continue, and it will take some time to sign in. And if you want to change your name or something like that, then you can create, and you have to click on agree. Okay, and after that it will take some time to signing you, and then you are good to go. This is the simple steps that you have to follow, and then you can create videos. For video creation, you have to basically what is the process. If you are new to the video creation, then use some prompt and then just type it, or you can just type it, or you can use it from the chat GPT, and then you can create the videos. So okay, so this is the basic overview about this Business Gemini. Currently they are not asking any charges for you, like a credit card details and all these things. But from here, this is not only for the video creation. You can do images also, deep search also, or any logical like chat GPT, you can use it. So for but this video is for only the video generation. Then I will show you the process. Let's say for the better image generation or the video generation, I use a chat GPT. Let's say give me 10-second video generation prompt of let's say do some funny thing from a funny man say samosas near to India get in a very funny way, and people are curious. Is selling, they are loving. Okay, I just added random thing. Okay, and so because ChatGPT give you a proper video generation prompt, so that's why I use it. So what you have to do is you have to just copy this. So I will not read it because this is given in a very proper format. So I just copy this. Okay, and I go over here and just click on paste, and just what you have to do is you have to click on submit. Okay, it will take some time, not 10 or 20 minutes, something like that. It will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes, or maybe 5 minutes, depend upon the server load. Okay, so let's wait for that. But what I realize is you can create only videos in 16:9 ratio, means landscape videos, not the portrait size, like 9:16 that we mostly use for the shorts. But I think if you create it or if you provide image which in the form of 9:16, then I think it will create a video with 9:16 ratio. So you have to definitely try that. I will not try because but you can try it from your end. Okay, so this is the video that Gemini has provided, and let's play this.
Samosa, samosa, garam garam. Best in town, makes you calm. Taste the magic, feel the charm.
Okay, so this is kind of a funny video they have created. Samosa selling. Okay, and so did you see? This is how very simple. You have to just use the chat GPT, or means if you have a creative mind, then you can just directly type it, and then the video will be ready by using this Gemini Enterprise without any credit card and without any details. Okay, just log in and then you can use it. So it's very simple. So yeah, you must try it. So if you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and please support my channel by subscribing. Thank you.